Today I'm gonna show you problem with Volkswagen Touareg. If your rear window and central locking not working, all doors completely dead, nothing working. Firstly, I measure this plus minus on this plus minus, and this violet white wire is our communication line, LIN bus. When I measure it, nothing on the LIN bus. LIN bus controlled from front doors. I measure here from front doors, the LIN communication is working. LIN bus you can check with oscilloscope. I already checked it, and from here is everything okay. When we try to figure out where is the problem, I look at the wiring diagrams. It's no more connections, connectors, only from these doors, from here to here, and to these doors. And there's somewhere wire is broken or snapped or something. I take our toner generation tool. It's very useful to find this kind of wires. I plug to this connector and we dig it through here, and I show you where exactly the problem. I remove the carpet, remove 2 bolts of the seat, and here and here is factory joint. There is some isolation, but I lost this, but this was wired together and hidden in here. So guys, if you have problem with rear doors, look at this place, because there is some water. It's a little bit water here, and this joint is corroded and lost signal from this. Thank guys for watching. See you in another video.